We are presenting Bhagavad Gita as it is. Read it and you will understand what is the difference between spirit and matter. If we understand that I am not this body, I am spirit soul, then my duty would be assigned that I am spirit soul. Aham Brahmasmi, so I am acting for the body only. The body is perishable. Antavattu ime deha. Everything is there. Antavat means perishable. Nitya sukta saririno. But the spirit soul is eternal. So I am working day and night so hard only for this body. How to eat, how to dress, how to have sex, how to defend. And what I am doing for the spirit soul, that is knowledge. The spirit soul, I am the spirit soul. And because as spirit soul I am within this body, the body is working, moving, and I am simply taking care of the body. What care I am taking for myself, the spirit soul, who is going to change this body. Now Krishna says, Tatha dehantara prapti. The spirit soul will change this body, as it has already changed. From babyhood to child to boyhood, that I already explained. What type of body I am going to accept next life? I am not going to die. I am simply changing body, just like we change dress. If one dress is torn or old, we change another dress. Exactly like that. This body we change when it is no more usable. We have got our spiritual body. And they say the spirit is formless. No. Now, if this body is my dress, then how the body has got these hands and legs? Just because you have got actually hands and legs, therefore your coat and pant has got hands and legs. If you have no form, then how the coat and pant is made? The pant has got legs because actually I have got legs. The coat has hands or body because actually I have got body. So the argument that the spirit is formless, that is bogus. Unless I have got form, how the dressed body is made with hands and legs and heads and everything. So these are the subject matters to be considered. That is called Brahma Jigyasa. To understand about spiritual life, spiritual knowledge, then there will be question how the spirit soul I have contacted this material body. And it is said in the Bhagavad Gita that because I have accepted this material body, all miserable conditions are there. We are trying to get over miseries. That is called struggle for existence. Everyone is trying. He thinks one status of life is miserable, let me avoid it and get better life. That is our struggle. In this way, from lower bodies we have come to this spiritual, human form of body. Now it has to be decided what is our next body. Next body. That is answered in the Bhagavad Gita. You'll find Janti deva brata devan pitrin janti pitri brataha bhutani janti bhuteja madhyajinopi janti mam. If you want to go to the higher planetary system where the demigods live, you can go there. But that is not eternal life. After that long period, you have to die. Krishna says, Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanudarsana. You are trying to avoid all kinds of miserable conditions. But your real miserable condition is your birth, death, old age and disease. Try to avoid it. That is perfection. That is spiritual life. If you kindly take advantage of our offering, we are presenting this Krishna consciousness movement very genuinely and authorized. The center is open now. Now it is up to you to take advantage of it and be benefited. Thank you very much.